Have you ever walked into a local market far from home and been struck by how wonderfully diverse our world is? By observing the chaos, you can truly appreciate other cultures and other unique ways of living. When you step into a market as raw as this one, with its rats, greasy food and humble stalls, you begin to understand the daily realities of many people, especially here in the Philippines. So get ready and feel the energy and witness the real spirit of the Filipinos in action.
First time set foot in the Philippines, and my first transport is a tuk-tuk. Hello. What are you selling? Oh, jewelry. Oh, that's nice. Oh my god, you got a lot there. You got stray dogs on the road. I'm guessing poverty is mad, yeah? So today I decided to go for a walk around in the local market. So this market is well known for bringing their fresh fruit and vegetables and tropical fruits. Should we go inside? I'm sure, as you guys know, Filipinos, they love their rice and their eggs. There's stuff going in. Should we go further up? So it's a really busy area. It's really humid. Look at the amount of rice they have here. Rice, all kinds of rice. You got Isabel rice, you got champion rice, you got peacock white rice. Huh? Yeah, it smells really strong here. These guys close at 8 o'clock, so we've only got 1 hour left. The meat market's on the left down there. Should we go this way? Oh my god, there's a rat! Okay, let's go this way. Let's go straight. Oh my! I've got some meat juice on my foot. Hello! It's finished. Hello! This is what they use to sweep the floors. Got handmade baskets. Is pancake? Is it spring rolls?
Chicken and vegetable inside.
Oh, chicken, vegetables. No vegetables only?
No.
Okay. This one? Egg?
Yeah.
Okay. I just had to eat it. They just take a skewer and just dip it in the sauce. Do you have any vegetables here? No vegetables. What's this?
Chicken intestine.
Chicken. I'm a vegetarian.
Oh, good.
It's gonna be hard for me. No,
yeah.
there's chicken. There's chicken and vegetables in there.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Go for it.
I can't. I
There's
don't eat chicken.
chicken.
Yeah, there's only chicken. The chicken inside as well. Yeah.
You want
Pure vegetables. Yeah. So how much is this?
Only 7 pesos.
7
But
pesos.
3.
Okay.
If you buy 3, it's only 20 pesos.
20 pesos. So you just take one and you just dip it in the sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Where you come from?
Oh, London.
Wow.
Yeah, I came all the way from London.
When you are
Four
here,
aeroplanes, 4 planes to come here.
What country? Before you're here.
China.
And then,
And then here. In Manila. And then here. Yeah.
or why you are here?
Huh?
Why you are here?
To explore the world.
Oh, okay.
I like to
I
travel to different country.
I thought your loved ones is here.
Huh?
Your love is here.
My love? Oh no. I'm in love with the world.
Oh,
No.
good.
I just come to travel. I like to see culture.
welcome to
Yeah.
Palawan.
No, thank you.
Tomorrow you can visit the Underground River.
Oh, really?
Underground River, one of the 7 wonders in the world.
Really? It's called Underground River.
Yeah.
I'm gonna check it. I'm definitely going to 100%. Well, thank you, yeah? Almost everywhere sells lots of meat-based food. So we found one vegetarian restaurant. Immerse. I'll just see myself right by the entrance. This looks like a family-run business. She brought me filtered water, but I still had to ask if the water's tap. And obviously, wherever you go, you still have to ask. So here we have the tortilla salad. This is the Spanish salad, and this one here is rice with tofu. Mango milkshake, we've got 2, so altogether it's costing us between 11 to 10 pounds. It's sweet and it's creamy. 10 out of 10 for this one. I'll give it a 5 out of 10. There's no flavour, it's alright. You just need to put some of coleslaw. Actually, you know what? Put this together. 8 out of 10. It's really hot today. Yeah.
How are you?
Oh no, I'm full right now.
Hello.
Oh my god, wow. No! Look at that style. That's what you call style right there. You don't have none? So this is a corner shop. Why is it closed like this? Why is it like this? Okay.
Don't steal.
Oh yeah, it's still.
Oh, so no one still. Okay. Oh, you got the skewers. Hello. Oh, meat. No vegetarian. It's 5 pesos. It's like 6p, no?
Yeah.
Can I? 4?
You want vinegar?
What's good with it? What goes good with it? Vinegar? Okay, yeah.
I'll mix it.
Yeah, mix it, yeah. Right. Oh, look at that. Thank you. I'm gonna try one right now. It's a deep fried spring roll. You got only potato? Okay. You got a rice bag as well. Look how oily this is. I'm gonna get a heartburn tomorrow. Is a Zuna? What's this? What's this? What do you have?
Monstone.
Monstone?
Yeah, tiger.
Oh my goodness.
Good looking. I give Filipino
Oh
price.
my, Filipino price.
Yeah.
Is this what you do for your job?
Yes. Yeah.
50 pesos for the Thai guy. That's actually a good deal, you know. So we're at the bay. Right now we just touched down to the bay. There's a, let me show you. There's a lot of lady boys, you know.
Ganito po yung mga gusto kong lalaki. Sa'yo pala nagmana ng ilong.
Well, I promised these guys I'm gonna come back and buy one of their jewelry and we'll see what they say. No, not free.
Remember,
No free.
for free from
No,
my
no.
heart only, no?
No, not free. No, I don't want to take it for free. I want to. Okay, look. Can I get? Okay, so can I get 2?
For free.
No.
It's the best.
Huh?
Oh, the Filipino price.
Filipino price.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is.
It's the monster is my lights. It's the really price.
Ouch! Oh, everyone's surrounding me now. Oh my gosh, this is mad. My goodness, there's a lot of stuff. Oh my gosh, wait, guys, easy.
Suna. Shy.
No.
Suna. The black onyx from sea.
Which one you like?
The black
Suna.
onyx.
Yeah. This one the amatite stone.
This one, tiger eye.
That's not amethyst.
Amatite stone.
No, that's not amethyst.
It's the big.
Guys, you give me too many.
Yeah.
hands.
This one black.
How old are you guys? How old are you lot? How old are you?
18.
18. You?
14.
You?
19. 18. 16.
You?
5.
5.
Suna. Black onyx. 100 pesos.
Man called me a Zuna. No, I've seen this before. I know. Another look.
50. Stalagmite.
Oh my god, look at the hands.
50.
Yeah, there you go. Yep.
This one. Oh, thank you, Mustafa.
Oh, thank you.
Stalagmite.
Oh my goodness, look at my hands. Look at the hands.
50, my friend, okay. The black
Stalagmite,
anti-work.
That's small, no.
Nice one, the very black.
Guys, oh my gosh.
Okay, 50. 50 pesos.
No, it's okay. No, guys. Let go of the money. No, it's okay, guys. Guys, this guy just come back. and he gave me these Ray-Ban glasses. Why?
For the idol.
For remembering you guys.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come back here again. Yeah? No, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
I like this guy. Appreciate it. Thank you. Look, I feel really bad right now. He gave me these glasses, these Ray-Ban glasses. He's so genuine. He's so genuine. I bought a jewelry from him for 50. Now I'm gonna give him 150 just because he's so lovely and genuine. I need to. So I need to hide it from the other guys. Come. Come. Take care. Take care.
Thank you.
Take care. Take care. I had to hide the money from the his other friends, as he was so genuine. So I hope his friend doesn't see it. He's right behind me. Oh good. People are so genuinely nice. Like their niceness literally just weakens me. I had to give him something. So, I mean, like I said, this is the reason why I love coming to the sport. This is the reason why I wanted to come to the Philippines, to see if these people here are really genuine. They are genuine. All I can say is don't take advantage out of them. Literally, they're 10 out of 10. Oh yeah. There's a power cut. Look at that. Oh, now it's working. I had a great day, great night. People was lovely, friendly. I'm hella tired right now. So tomorrow, I'm going on a really good adventure. It's going to be beautiful, okay? So guys, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Look at that, man. Talk about stay tuned. TV's messed up.